Namaste everyone. Welcome to Yoga with Amit. I'm Amit Namdev and today we're going to do yoga for glowing skin. So let's begin.
If you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe and click on this bell icon and stay tuned.
Sit down with closed eyes, with your back, neck and spine straight. Hands either in Chin Mudra or Gyan Mudra in your knees. Mouth and eye gently closed. Then bring your hands and close your nostrils, both the nostrils with your thumb. And inhale through the mouth. Gently release the nostrils and breathe out. Be holding about 20 seconds. One more time. Inhale. Close your nostrils. Inhale. Last one. Close your nostrils. Sit quietly for a while. Sit in Vajrasana. Bring your hands on your knees. Close your eyes. And then bring your hands by the side of the buttocks and bring your forehead on the ground. Then inhale, sit up, come back. Then bring your hand on the ground. Bring your knee back, stand on your knees. And then inhale, arching your back as much as you can. Bringing your head up, try look towards the ceiling. And then with exhalation, chin towards the chest. Touch the chest with your chin. Repeat 5 times. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Back to the center. And then bring your knee off the ground, coming into the downward dog. Pushing your chest towards the ground. And working on one leg at a time. Bending one leg, stretching another one. Bending another leg, stretching one leg. Keep doing this a few times, a few minutes. Let your whole body work out. Your blood running towards the head, towards your shoulders, your face. Can hold this downward dog position for 20 seconds to 1 minute, whatever easier in your body. And keep working on the body by opening the shoulders, pushing your chest towards the ground, moving one leg at a time. So try get as much as you can from the asana. And after 30 seconds, come back to the cat. Come back to the Vajrasana. Take your legs out. And lie on your back. Then bend your knees. Bring your hands on the ground. Bend the legs close to your chest. Push with your hands. And lifting the body all the way up. Sarvangasana. Excellent pose for making your skin glow faster. Not only that, you're also relaxing your heart and also working on your thyroid gland. Close your eyes and you can hold this pose, the asana, for at least 1 minute. And after 1 minute, lower your head down. Bring your hand on the ground. Use your abdominal muscles if possible to roll yourself very slowly. And we do fish pose, Matsyasana, the last asana for your skin. Bringing your hands all the way inside the body. Inhale. Lift your head up, look at your toes, stand up on your elbows, nice and easy. Bring your chest out and drop your top of the head on the ground. 20 seconds. And then inhale, lift your head up. And exhale, drop your body down. Relax. In Savasana, it's also very important. The more relaxed you are, the better your mental health and the better your skin. Your face will start to glow very quick and fast. Once you are relaxed, gently sit up.
Drink as much water as you can. At least 3 liters is recommended. So begin to do the asana practice, but also drink a lot of water and try eat less oily food, eat more vegetables, green vegetables, and try keep your liver clean. So try take the liver tea if there is, or some herbs that is good for the liver, and try not to drink any alcohol and see how quick your skin begin to glow. So thank you very much for joining me at Yoga with Amit, and I hope to see you in the next video. Namaste.